There's Chloe, Danny and Papa getting ready. Top of the mountain to go down. Chloe's going up the lift on her own already. And she's practicing to make bigger turns. Look at her go. She's going for it. Bravo, Chloé! Danny, bravo! Attends pour maman, ok? Danny descend. Regarde si elle fait bien. Elle a juste 2 ans et demi. Elle peut déjà faire ses tours. Tout seul, regarde, elle fait ses tours. Regarde, elle tourne. Bravo! Danny! She's turning on her own. Okay, allez-y! Chloe has quite a bit of control. Look at her go. Very confident. We're in Flottsborough, Sweden, just outside of Stockholm. Look at her go all the way down without hitting anyone. Is she gonna stop? Yeah. There's Danny turning on her own. It's good.